Alright, down here is San Clemente Trail. This is one of the boardwalks. We're riding bikes. There's the pier. You can check out the coast. Got the cliffs. Cruising along here. See the rip current out there. You see the current right there, lighter color in the middle of the shot. That's rip current. You can see it goes all the way out to sea. That's pretty cool. Very dangerous. You can actually see in the water where the rip current comes all the way to shore. And there's kids swimming like right there too. See the rip current? Right there. See how it goes all the way out to sea? You can see where it goes all the way out there. And you can see where it cuts into the waves right here. Wow. That's where it sucks out to sea. That's where they tell you to watch for that and stay out of that. Little sunset. So yeah, they planted a lot of this in native plants, put some rocks down to help maintain it. The cameraman setting up. Looks like he's got some pro cams there. It's one of the parking lots. Come down here and park here. You can ride your bikes here. There's only a couple places that you have to walk, and it's on the cement. It'll say walk bike, so look out for that. Trail total is 2.3 miles. So if you're eating at Selma's or Sonny's, you can come down here and work off the pizza. There's the pier. Coming up to a spot where I think you gotta walk it.
Yeah, like the biggest one.
Kind of crowded here. you go. Made it to the pier. Give you a little view and we'll shut it down. Pretty cool. San Clemente Pier.